Today we're doing a proper oven tier list. Electric, gas, wood and combo. And what it's actually like to cook pizza in these ovens. My number one choice has changed over the last 2 years. So in this video, I'm going to explain why and how each oven performs and what they're like to use and why my ranking has changed. Most of us aren't running a pizzeria at home. We're cooking at home for ourselves, maybe our friends and our families, and we are not professional cooks, but home cooks, learning as we go along. So convenience and consistency matter just as much as performance. So coming in at number 4, combo ovens. These are the ovens that let you switch between gas and wood. And on paper, they sound really great because you get the convenience of the gas and the wood experience. And it's nice to have that choice. So it's the best of both worlds, right? But it doesn't quite work out like that, because what I found is, from my experience, is that they tend to be a little bit of a compromise and you're not getting the full benefits of either fuel, because I feel that in order for one fuel to work really well, a slight compromise is made to support the other fuel, and you often end up just sticking to one anyway. The ones I've used are really good, but if you know which fuel type you would prefer to use constantly, you may just want to consider focusing on that fuel type oven instead. Third place is wood. Yes, wood. Wood-fired ovens. There's nothing quite like cooking in a wood-fired oven. The experience and the flames and the smell, it's incredible. It really is. And when you get it right, it's pretty amazing. And the results can be super good. You get high heat, you get a beautiful flame cooked crust, and you get that traditional wood vibe, cooking experience and feel. But there are trade-offs, and because wood-fired cooking is not easy and you have to manage the fire, you've got to control the temperature manually, you've got to keep feeding the flames, and you're constantly adjusting your cooking. You've got to get the right quality fuel and you store it properly, and then you've got to learn how to use the fuel properly. And if you're not on top of the fire management of wood fire management, it can go wrong very quickly. And you can get uneven cooking, burnt spots, raw pizza, overburnt pizza, really inconsistent results. And so while I love the experience, it's not something I reach for all the time, because it does take more time and effort to set up. And it also takes a lot of practice to get it right. And that's why, for me, it sits in third place. So second place is gas. Now we're getting into the top 2. So second place is gas. Yes, I know for a long time I had this as my number 1, and because I love gas-fired ovens. They're just so easy to use. You turn a dial and you control the flame and you're ready to go, and it's much easier than wood. They heat up quickly, they're consistent, and they give you that live flame that replicates like a wood-fired oven, and it gives you that great top heat, nice charring, and proper pizza results. And for most people, gas is the perfect balance instead of wood. And I get that, because you get that performance and because you get that control and you get the convenience of using gas with a flame, and you don't have the complexity of all that wood management. So why is it no longer number 1 for me? Because while gas is great, there's something better that's now edged ahead recently over the last 2 years. And so my first place is, drumroll, electric pizza ovens. Yes, and this is where my opinion has completely changed. I can't believe it. Yes, because a few years ago, I wouldn't have dreamed or even considered putting electric pizza ovens at the top. No, but now it's my go-to. And that is why we have put it first, for consistency. Electric ovens give you incredible stable temperatures. There's no flame management, there's no fuel issues, there's no guessing. You set the temperature and it stays there. The oven regulates it for you, and you just have control as well. So you can have you can fine tune it. So you can have a top heat, you can have a bottom heat. You can put your boost in so that if you wanted to boost up to make it easier for you to cook the top faster than the bottom, it's all there for you. You can use some of them indoors and some are outdoors only, so you have a choice. And if you opt for the indoor type, you don't need to worry about the weather. You can it's just so simple. You just cook inside all year round and you just turn it on, and it has presets which you can customize with a click of a button. And that's it. And that's the biggest thing for me, is its consistency across cooking multiple pizzas, and you can just cook one after the other in your own time and get the same result every time. And there's no drop in heat, there's no need to adjust it constantly, and you may not even need to rotate your pizza. And if you do, it's most at once if needed. And it's just repeatable, reliable cooking, and the pizza cook results are the same as other high heat fuel type ovens. And that's why electric has taken the top spot for me. So here's my final tier list. Number 4, combination ovens. Number 3, wood. Number 2, gas. Number 1, electric. Like I said, I can't believe I chose electric as number 1, because it used to be gas, but the technology is changing and improving. And after using electric more and seeing the results with these incredibly high heat electric ovens, it's edged ahead in control, consistency, and ease of use. They are really good, and they do replicate high heat pizza, wood-fired and gas-fired ovens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of my list and your experiences of using these ovens as well. And please subscribe, it helps grow my channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.